Hi everybody, today I'm going to be drawing one of these three things. Let's see what it is for today. Today it is a beautiful bird, a dragon, or a cute fox. Let's think what I want to draw. Maybe today I'll draw a beautiful bird. Birds are one of my specialties. Okay, let's take this off because I'm going to need space. First, I'm going to draw a wing. It looks kind of weird, but it's okay. We're going to make its tiny little stomach over here. We're going to make its tail like right here. Yeah, this should be good. And then I'm gonna make a tiny little arch here for the neck. The head will be like this. We'll use our other pencil here because this pencil does not have an eraser. Erase this part. Okay, we'll be adding a little beak here. This should be good. And then the beak, right? Okay, now let's add the eyes. We'll make the eyes really cute. So first we're gonna draw a black circle and a small eyelash, like this. We'll draw tiny little cheeks here. And we will also draw tiny little feathers here. That's cute. I hope that will be the outlining too. Okay. And then I'm gonna add the small little feet here. We'll erase them afterwards and make them yellow. It'll be standing on a log, so you want to make it like grab onto it. Wait, I'll just have it go like this. Tweet, tweet. Okay, I don't know how to spell tweet. I'm sorry. Oops, I don't know how to spell tweet, so we are not doing that. Well, actually, I do know how to spell tweet. Oh my god, okay. Tweet. This is treed. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know how to spell it. Who cares? I am a small girl, so I do not know how to spell it. Okay, we'll make her standing on the branch now. The branch would be like this, slightly curving up. It's standing on the branch perfectly. The branch is really thick, and this is what we'll be doing. Maybe we'll add the sun here. Okay, time to outline. Let's grab our Sharpie here. We are going to start with the beak today. Tiny nose hole. Okay, we're gonna draw the head like this. We're gonna make sure it's a little overlap. So here it's like this. Add little fur ridges here because the stomach is very furry. Hi everybody, I'm sorry, but when I was recording it, something crashed and something broke apart, and then it just stopped my video. So I'm sorry, but this is my outcome. Bye everybody, and this is my signature.